Where my fine haired curl friends at? Who says us fine haired girls can't go from this to this? Stick with me and I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get this voluminous fro. The tools you'll need for this tutorial is a pick and a blow dryer. I use the blow dryer on low on a cool setting. So you want to find a way to stretch your hair, and to stretch my hair I use perm rods and flexi rods, and the reason being is because I wanted a sort of spiral toward the end of my hair, even though I was going to pick out most of the roots. But the thing is, I only use setting lotion, which makes the hair a little bit too light, so you want to use something in addition to the setting lotion, like some sort of cream, to hold down the hair more. So I began to unravel the perm rods. You do not have to do this very carefully because frizz is your friend when you're doing a fluffy big fro. So perfect curls, not necessary. Oh yeah guys, I used the flexi rods in the front because I thought it would elongate the front more and give more volume in the front. But right now I'm just separating. I separated this hair so many times, not once, not twice, not 3 times, probably like 4 or 5 times, 6 times possibly. So then you just grab your pick and you are gonna pick away, pick those roots, keep on going till you get it nice and big and fluffy. So then you grab your blow dryer and put it on a cool setting. I didn't add any heat protectant, so if you're gonna do a hotter setting, make sure you add heat protectant first. And then you just blow dry the roots to stretch them even more for maximum volume that your pick may not quite allow you to achieve. And guys, I don't know where I got this blow dryer from. I've had it for over 10 years and someone gave it to me, so I don't even know what kind it is. But once again, you grab your pick and then now you're just going to reshape it because the blow dry got your hair flying all over the place. So now you need to get some sort of shape back and style back to your liking. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna try different ways to make the best fro. I might do a braid out one day or a twist out or whatever. I'm just gonna be trying different methods to get the big fro. If you want me to do them on camera, let me know. If not, I will be doing them off the camera until I find the best one that's most successful. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you.